This goes out for all the saints. Hey Courtney, what up? Hey. Hey. Ride with me. Yeah. Look, I done came to the islands and I found me a diamond. Show that she shining, bad little ting. I might give her the ring, put her on a big screen. I know the saints feel me, and we chasing our dreams. I hate it can't stop me, no they can't block me. Excuse me, cause I'm cocky and I'm chilling with Courtney.
Alright guys, let me show you how I create my rice water. So I'll go ahead and grab 1 cup. Not even a full cup because guys, to be honest, a little goes a long way. So just pour that in there. When I tell you guys a little goes a long way, it creates so much water for your hair. And you guys will see when I hop into the tutorial. But what I like to do, I like to go ahead and rinse my rice off, and I only do it 1 time because you don't want to do it too much. So just wash it and rinse. Okay. What I like to do is fill it right back up. And I grab this. I do not use this anymore. I'll grab this container. You can put it in whatever container. I see people do it in mason jars, but I'll just go ahead and pour it in this. And I like to fill it all the way up. I let my rice water sit for about 2 months last time. I'm not going to do that this time. So I am just going to go ahead and do the rice water about once a month. So I'm going to let this sit for about 1 month. I don't like to do, I mean, you can do this every 2 weeks. But like I said, I'm just going to do this once a month. So this is going to be sitting for 1 full month. And you want to keep it out, guys. You don't want to put it in the refrigerator. So guys, let's hop right into this video. Okay guys, so you can see how dry my hair is. I had my hair in a bun for about 1 whole week. So I love treating my wash day as a spa day to myself. What I'm doing right now, I am detangling my hair before I go ahead and put any type of shampoo or conditioner in my hair. This actually helps the process much faster and easier for me just because of how thick my hair is. Put it in a comment section below if you do detangle your hair before you wash and condition your hair. Guys, I am going in with this Rosewater Shampoo. It smells so good. I actually got this shampoo from Beautycon. I really love to focus on my ends and also my scalp, and when I do shampoo my hair, I also love finger detangling my hair. As I'm washing my hair, I always have my eyes closed. Why? Because I love envisioning things. I love manifesting. This is important because when it comes to manifestation, you don't attract the energy that you want. You actually attract the energy that you embody. So for example, I always have my eyes closed. I'm saying thank you universe or thank you God for this warm, relaxing shower. Thank you for health. Thank you for prosperity. Thank you for wealth. I say all these affirmations to myself, and I do use this time as a meditation. This is a light condition, guys. I'm not going to go crazy on conditioner. This is very thick. Okay, here's the worst part. Rice water. I did separate the rice water and put it in a spray bottle. This is because I really want to focus on my scalp with the spray bottle. Oh gosh, it smells so horrible. Once I finish applying all of this rice water all over my hair, I go ahead and put my hair up in a bun, and then I'll follow up with the heat cap. I allow the heat cap to, stay on my head for about 20 minutes. Now that the worst part is out the way, I'm just going to go ahead and cleanse my face. I know a lot of times when we are washing our face, we forget about our neck. Washing our neck is just as important as washing our face, so do not forget to focus on your neck. Okay guys, time to rinse, finally. I am using a microfiber towel. You want to follow up with some type of moisture in your hair after using rice water. So I am just going in with this oil, and then later you'll see me going in with a conditioner. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to join the Saint family. I hope to talk to you guys soon. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Bye.